guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Thrift and Thrive. Yes, another thrift store because of this one. She just got great grades on her progress report. I thought I'd treat her to some thrifting since that's what she's all about. And I'm looking for some plant stands, so let's see what they got. Mommy shark doo 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 doo. Can this be a planter? See a Coca-Cola propagation.
Up and down with it TV.
Wait, what kind of TV is that?
The one we have to.
It's called the boob tube.
Oh.
Kids these days. Look, Mom. Should I get these for Ted? Oh, Mia, I love this set. This is so cute. See, I almost passed it up. Oh, that's cute. I think my grandpa used to have this. It's propagation heaven. How cool are these? Those are awesome. $8. Oh, they're so cute.
So cute. There's a whole bunch of them. And the new eyeglasses.
What's with you in chairs?
I just like this chair. This is my favorite chair. It holds your chalk.
No, it doesn't. Do you know what that's for?
No.
That's for teachers. That's how they used to make the lines on the chalkboard. They take it sideways and they...
I also hold your chalk.
Need a game? Come to Thrift and Thrive. Who had one of these? I know I did. Lots of Easter stuff.
Okay, look it. I'm just gonna pop my stuff in there. It's paper options. They have different styles of paper.
Oh, so you can like write sideways and stuff? It's Raggedy Andy. guys, so we're back home and we're gonna do a tiny little thrift store haul of the things that we purchased. All right, so my daughter grabbed this. It's just like a cork board and it's got a cute little blue design on it, which matches her Roscog cart. So she's gonna put that on her wall. It was $5.99. Then I got this mason jar with this ribbon in it. I'm not gonna use the ribbon, but I think that some of these are really pretty. Mia knows how to hot glue and sew and all that, so she'll probably use the ribbon, but I bought it for the mason jar. It's like a vintage Quaker mason jar and it says Quaker on it, which is super cool. And it says 1877 on it. $2.99. Then she got this little basket. Don't even ask me what she's gonna use it for, but it was 25 cents. And then I found some Terra Cotta planters with drainage holes. This one was $4.99. And then I got this one over here, which I really don't care for the color of it, but I like the shape and I like that it had a drainage hole and that it's Terra Cotta. So it was $1.99, so I decided to go for it. I might paint it eventually just because I'm not just a fan of the pattern, but whatever. We could be a little different, right? And then she also got this book, which I thought was really cute, for $1.99. And it's just called A Collection of Paper Options. And it has like different ways you can write in the book, which is pretty cool. And that was it. Thanks guys for coming along with us. I'm so happy that I was able to find some planters at Thrift and Thrive. It's a super cute vintagey thrift shop. Nothing like the other one we went to a couple weeks ago. But if you're ever in the Chicago area on the north side, I will link their website below. Be sure to visit them because it's a pretty cool place and I love the layout and it just has a cool vibe to it. Thanks for joining me in this video. Normally we don't do thrift hauls, but if you like plants and you like anything to do with plants, then follow this channel, subscribe so you can see more videos posted from me. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't like it. I don't know, that lets me know you don't like it, you know? And if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. I love hearing from all of you guys. If you're new to my channel, I'm loving all the new subscribers and all of your feedback and your questions and your inspiration and ideas. So keep them coming, guys. I appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.